Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 8th of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. We'll start off locally in Australia. Well, interest rates remained unchanged on Melbourne Cup a day. Aussie dollar did jump a little at the release of the news, breaking that 77 handle, but quickly fell back down. This was the 15th consecutive month that rates remained unchanged, and most analysts don't see any changes soon either. What does that basically mean for our Aussie dollar? Well, if we look at the Aussie USD, the upside will now become limited for the Aussie dollar, particularly if the US begins to start a cycle of strength, which appears to be on the horizon. Okay, let's move on. In Europe, Mr. Draghi's speech was centered around the European banking supervision. It was not majorly impacting on the markets, although the Euro USD did fall, but this was more due to US dollar strength than the speech itself. There were two other speeches overnight, but they were not major impacting on the markets, so we will omit them for today. Alright, time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I have found for us today is the US yen on a daily time frame. You can see here from the chart that I'm displaying to you, clearly there is a resistance level at the top. Market has approached that level on two occasions. We are there now on the third occasion, and we have produced, well, there's still a little bit of time to go. The current candle will finish in around about 30 or 40 minutes, but it appears that it will be an inside candle, which basically sets us up for a break of the inside candle to trade on the downside. Now, yesterday we took a GBP CAD trade on the break upwards. Now that's triggered and it's moved quite a long way forward. So this is the same principle on that. Remember, if it does break on the top side over here, well, then you need to cancel your order out because we would not be interested in that trade. There you have it. US yen on a daily time frame is our chart of the day. Let's have a look at what is happening in the session that is about to unfold for us. We have 2:30 in the morning from the US. We have crude oil inventories number. And the only other news that will happen probably before you see my next daily call, so I've included it here at 7 a.m. From New Zealand, we have the rate statement, okay, and decisions. And at 8 o'clock we have the RBNZ press conference. So any Kiwi dollar traders, look out for that. It should be an interesting morning tomorrow morning for you. So please take note of those times. They are in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Times. Alright guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I will talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.